So in this video, I will continue to talk about budgeting. I will focus on budgeting in this video in order to actually draw up an example of how to actually draw profit and loss budget. Anyway, income from hairdressing in this example gives us 950,000. Income from sale of hair products gives us 90,000. This gives us a total net turnover of 1,040,000. Then we have the consumption of the hair products. That's the price we actually as a company pay for these hair products. Then we have the salaries that we also need to pay. Then we have the contribution margin. The contribution margin is what's left when we have covered most of the cost related to this. Then we have cash fixed costs, profit before depreciation, depreciation of machinery, other things. Profit before interest. Interest cost is the cost of what we need to pay to the bank. And then we have at the end we have the profit for the year. This is the profit and loss account for 2015. So now we need to look at what changes. So first off, income from hairdressing is expected to increase by 350. One more hairdressers will have to be appointed, and total salaries are expected to increase by 255,000. Sale of hair products are expected to increase by 40%. Consumption of hair products is expected to increase by 30%. Cash fixed costs are expected to increase by 5%. So, in addition, the budget allows for the following for 2016. Depreciation is expected to be 50,000. Interest costs are expected to be total 30,000. Based on these figures, the following calculations can be performed to the following profit and loss account to be drawn for 2016. I will follow up on that right now. So, as you see, income from hairdressing 950,000 plus the 350,000 as I mentioned up before. Salaries 375,000 plus 255,000 equals to 630,000. Income from sale of hair products 90,000 multiplied by 1.4 gives us a total of 126,000. Consumption of hair products 120,000 multiplied by 1.3. Cash fixed cost 160,000 multiplied by 1.05 equals to 168. So taking the new assumptions into consideration, we get a new profit and loss budget for 2016. The income from hairdressing would increase, etc. And as we see, when we look at all the figures, we see we have a profit for the year of 392,000. In other words, the company is expected its profit to improve by 67,000 from 2015 to 2016. This gives us an indication that the company is actually being successful following up on their strategy.